Nickelodeon Our World is continuing its partnership with the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County to learn all about the science of SpongeBob.
I don't get it.
We'll break it down for you, Patrick. We're diving into the real science behind the world of SpongeBob's Bikini Bottom all year long. Through Science of SpongeBob, you'll join real-life scientists to explore the species which inspire the show's iconic characters.
How about now?
And learn about marine ecosystems like Bikini Bottom to discover ways they can contribute to protecting underwater habitats and more.
Prepare to be blown back on your tail fin.
The first way you can get in on the science of SpongeBob is through our old friend, technology.
We have technology.
It didn't work.
Just grab a grown-up and head to the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County website to find engaging videos from museum scientists featuring fun facts about your favorite Bikini Bottomites.
Patrick Starr, for example, began his life as a tiny, tiny little plankton floating around and then settled out and became the Patrick that we know and love.
And check out some ideas for hands-on DIY activities.
Genius!
Write that down, write that down!
And just to let you in on a little secret, you can also find the science of slime on the Natural History Museum website.
Well, it's no secret that the best thing about a secret is secretly telling someone your secret, thereby secretly adding another secret to their secret collection of secrets. Secretly.
We also have a school partnership program that brings the science of SpongeBob into your classroom through virtual meet and greets with Natural History Museum scientists.
Mrs. Puff,
Yes, SpongeBob?
can I be excused for the rest of my life?
Why, no, SpongeBob.
And the third way to get in on the science of SpongeBob is in person at one of our live activations. At our event with the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County, attendees got one-on-one access to scientists and hands-on time with the real-life underwater specimens who you might recognize in their animated forms as inhabitants of Bikini Bottom. And we even chopped it up with the voices of some of your favorite characters, like Patrick and Sandy.
Science of SpongeBob!
This is how Nickelodeon Our World does partnerships. We go above and beyond to make sure that you and your parents, teachers, and communities have all the resources they need to take learning to the next level.
Partnering with Nickelodeon Our World, Science of SpongeBob, has been a real pleasure for the Natural History Museum. We work with the science of the organisms and the marine biology. Nickelodeon gets to work with the story of the characters. And people really care about things that they love, and we love being able to make people care about the ocean.
And above all, we make science fun.
What is fun? Let me spell it for you.
So keep checking in for more Science of SpongeBob, brought to you by the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles County and Nickelodeon Our World. And stay tuned for the science of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, coming soon.
In the deep blue sea.